Alright, here we go. You ready? I'm ready. Now, I don't know about you, but the first time I traveled, I remember my mind being absolutely blown. Seeing things I've only seen on TV and meeting people I never knew I needed in my life. Experiencing a whole new world. If you travel to do exactly what you can do back home, is that truly traveling? Or is traveling embracing yourself in the unknown, exploring things you never knew existed, and taking advantage of opportunities you can never get back home? Or is traveling just simply opening your eyes to the reality of the world while shaping your perspective on life? Is it setting aside your ego of what you thought you knew and opening your mind to what's really around you? Now, everyone travels for their own reasons. Whether it's to see the sights, meet new people, the food, or whatever your reason is. You travel for a new experience, not the one that you've already lived back home. We all have our fears of the unknown before we get on that first flight, yet we're committed to facing them. Don't let media and news outlets shape your perspective on the world, but get out there and see the beauty that they forget to mention. Once you get to where you're going, you realize the front door to a new place we can call home is now open. Those fears and misconceptions vanish. The most powerful thing in the world is insight on reality, knowing the truth and seeing the good and the bad, yet not being prejudiced, but understanding of how the world works and what it truly has to offer. So I say, be curious, travel, explore, smile, laugh, cry, get lost, then found. Live your best fucking life. The world is truly ours to share together. less traveling.